morning. I'm Epstein, and here we are with your morning flash update for this Monday, the 11th of March, 2024, time 8:10 a.m. Central Time. Now, there's no major U.S. economic data out today. There was some Japanese data, and it certainly points to the fact that the Bank of Japan is still taking a very hard look at getting rid of yield controls and possibly lifting off and getting away from negative interest rates. In China, it looks like the People's Congress is pretty much ended now, and we are just looking to see if there's going to be more news coming in one way or the other for them to prove what they said. In other words, stimulus. That's going to be the big question. In America, we don't have, as I just said, any major news today, but tomorrow's a big news day. We get the CPI number. So the market is looking for a month-over-month increase of about 1/10 of a point, but a year-over-year decline. So you will have to pore through the numbers to see what this all means. But what the market is not looking for, it's not looking for stronger overall inflation. It's looking for it to start backing off to give the Fed a reason to say, yep, the tightening has worked and it's time to be looking at maybe loosening up in some way. That's what the market wants to hear. If both the month-over-month and year-over-year are stronger numbers, that pretty well dampens that argument, although the naysayers will find a way, as you know, to say, well, that's not just right. You can see the energy market's a little bit lower. The market is still concerned, are we in balance? Now, we get this week both OPEC and IEA data. So we'll see if the two fight with each other. I've put this up because we're going to cover all this data in a big way tomorrow. And if you're interested in be it the energies I was just talking about, the financials, this is where you want to turn your attention. Because tomorrow's going to be about CPI. What does it mean? Where's it going to kick different markets? Have the grains seen enough of a rally where now the market is going to pause out? That's one thing that we're all looking at. In the meat market, cheap grain, you're going to feed more of that grain to the meats, all right? You look at all this. You try to put it together. And with our special reports, we really try to give you updates that make sense. They come out throughout the day, and especially on the major reports and the whole report we send out to our clients. So if you haven't seen what we do, go to iraepstein.com under free reports. With that, I'll catch up with you all at the end of the day as we do our market reviews. And by the way, you can always click up here. There'll be an icon, and that'll take you right to our website. I'm Ira. You have yourself a good day. Talk to you tomorrow.